The Italian Constitution was born with a specific attention to the position of women in this society. June 2nd, 1946 was the first time that women were allowed to vote, and so June 2nd is not only the date in which the Italian Republic was born, but it's also the first time that women were allowed to exercise the right to vote. They were excluded from the political, the place where sovereignty is exercised. And the women that were sitting in the Constituent Assembly, the 21 women that were sitting in the Constituent Assembly, were well aware of that. And not only of the need to open up the political sphere to women, but also of the need to recognize the position of those women who were also workers. And women that were workers often were workers not officially recognized, so they were exploited by their employers. And so one of the main concerns of the women in the Constituent Assembly was to officially recognize the role of women that were also workers. But there is more in the Italian Constitution. There is what we can call a principle of anti-subordination of women to men. And the idea that both women and men, they equally contribute to the well-being of the Italian society. This is a gift to some extent that we have received, especially from those women who were sitting in the Constituent Assembly and in the first Italian Parliament. And I want to mention one, Maria Maddalena Rossi. She was specifically concerned with the position of women that were subjected to violence, to sexual violence, especially during the war. And she stressed the importance to give those women instruments of emancipation, the possibility to build their own life and their own path for their for the best fulfillment of their abilities in the Italian society.